Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but super important process: how to join Asana when someone invites you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to accept your invitation and get started with Asana, so you can collaborate effortlessly with your team or organization. Even if you're brand new to Asana or feeling a little unsure about these invitation emails, I'll guide you step by step so you feel confident and ready. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Gmail inbox. I recommend using a computer for this just because it makes things a little easier to navigate, but you can absolutely use your phone if that's more convenient. Take a moment to log in, and when you're there, you might notice your inbox can get a little crowded, especially if you receive lots of emails every day. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You can always use the search bar at the top and type Asana to quickly locate any emails related to your invite. Now, you're looking for a message from Asana. Typically, it'll say something like, "You've been invited to join Asana," or "Welcome to Asana," your team name. The sender should be either Asana directly or someone from your organization. One small tip here: sometimes these invitation emails land in your promotions or even your spam folder, so if you don't see it in your main inbox, check those other tabs. It's a pretty common scenario, so don't worry if you need to dig around a little. Once you spot the Asana invitation, go ahead and click to open it. I always pause here to scan the message so I know who's inviting me and which workplace or project it's for. You'll usually see a friendly message from Asana, along with a button or link that says, "Accept invite" or "Join now." This is the heart of the process. The reason accepting the invite is so important is because it connects you directly to the right workspace, making sure you have access to all the projects, discussions, and tasks that your team is working on. Take a moment, relax, and click that Accept Invite button. When you do, you'll be redirected to Asana's website. If you already have an Asana account linked with your email, sometimes you'll be prompted to log in directly. But if you're brand new to Asana, you'll be guided through setting up an account. This setup is very straightforward. Just a few fields like your name and password, and you're in. Don't worry if the redirect takes a few seconds or if you're asked for confirmation. Sometimes Asana wants to make sure the right person is joining. After you accept, you'll land inside your new workspace or team. Take a minute here to explore the dashboard. You should see your team's projects, to-do lists, and maybe a welcome message. Feel free to click around and get familiar. Asana is designed to be intuitive, even if you're new to project management tools. And that's it. You're officially joined and ready to collaborate in Asana. If you ever run into trouble or don't see your invite, double-check those other inbox folders or reach out to your teammate to resend the invitation. It happens to the best of us. Thanks for watching and following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you ran into any snags, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Welcome to Asana, and happy collaborating!